start.
Michael.
Get your outcomes in place. Your spring cleaning series of 5 videos is the third. I'm michaeln, the Martians. And please do like this video. It really does help the channel, and also subscribe to the channel because it also helps the channel. I've talked about strategy, I talked about objectives, now comes outcome, the third video out of 5. Outcome is about figuring out how do you measure success. Most of the times we think about inside out. We really want to think about how do you change the behavior of your external customer. It could be a downstream customer, it could be, if it's personal type of outcomes, could be for family. The question is, how will you know you succeeded? By changing behaviors. It really is about behavior, because behavior is what you can see behaviors. So focus on those outcomes. Ask yourself, what are 3-4 things you can measure in the next 3 to 6 months to see that you've actually achieved those outcomes, and then answering the objectives and getting your strategy in place. Third video out of 5. Please do subscribe and like this video. It really does help the channel. Michaeln, the Martian. Thank you.